Good morning. First, I would like to introduce myself. I am a new teacher in your school. My name is Teacher D, and I will be teaching you science, okay? Before we start with our lesson, I want you to shake your hands. Shake, shake, shake. And then you move your head to the right, to the left, front, and back. Okay, again. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Right, left, front, and back. Are you awake now? Okay, we proceed to our lesson. Remember my name, Teacher D, okay? I hope we can start and see you personally in our school because it's much better, a lot better. Okay, our first lesson is substances in everyday life. Okay, I hope you have your books now. We start with the vocabulary words. Okay, vocabulary words. Okay, first we have the condensation. Second is dissolve. Next, food coloring, rusted, sediment, separate, sublimation, and turbid. Okay, what is condensation? Condensation is the change of the physical state of matter from the gas phase into the liquid phase. So how do you understand that? Okay, I'll give you an example, okay? When you're cooking and it's boiling, there is some smoke, right? There is a smoke coming out. And then that smoke produces moist. And that moist is liquid, okay? So when you're cooking, you open the lid cover and then you can see there's moist water. Okay, so that is one example of condensation. Okay, our next word, dissolve. Dissolve is defined as to become broken up or absorbed by something or to disappear into something else. Okay, you get it? Example, just like on the photo, it's food color and then you put it in water and it will spread, the color will spread. Okay, so the water is not color transparent anymore. If you put yellow, it will turn to yellow. Okay, so the food color dissolve and spread. Okay, one more example is the sugar. If you put sugar into water and then you mix it, it will disappear. So it will melt, it will dissolve into the water. Okay, I hope you're getting it. Next is food coloring. Food coloring or color additive is any dye, pigment, or substance that imparts color when it is added to food ring. Just like what I explained with dissolve. When you put the food color into water and you mix it, if you put red color, the water will change into color red. So the food color will dissolve and spread into the water. That's food coloring. I think mostly of our food that we'll buy at the instant food, they have food coloring. Next is rusted. It happens to iron and its alloys when it is exposed to air or water for a long time. Look at the nail in the photo. Okay, I think this been soaked to the water for a long time. That's why it produces rust. That brown thing, we call it rust. Okay, so this mostly happened with the steel or iron with alloys. Next, sediment. is solid material that settles at the bottom of a liquid. Okay, at the photo. This is, I think this is a creek. Okay, so most probably sediment is like a stuck at the bottom. It is mud, dirt, or just like on the photo. Okay, it's mud, probably mud that's been stuck for a long time. Dirt. Okay, next, separate means to set apart, to distinguish, or to divide. The example is water and oil. You cannot mix water with oil or oil with water. It will separate. Okay, just like on the photo, it will separate. You cannot mix like food coloring. No, it's not like that. Separate, it means you cannot mix and it's separate. Okay, this is the water, this is the oil. They cannot mix, so they separate. Sublimation, okay? This is a process of changing from a solid into gas. Okay, best example is from the photo. Also, one example is like the ice. When it's melting, you see a little smoke coming out. That's the gas, but it's from the ice that is melting. Okay, that's one example. Okay, and last is turbid. Turbid, cloudy or thick with suspended matter. Okay, look at the photo. Water with dirt. The dirt is the water is turbid now because it's dirty. The dirt, we don't know where it's come from, but the dirt that is a thick. Okay, it's floating in the water. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, that's turbid, when the water is not clear. Okay, so again, our vocabulary words: condensation, dissolve, food coloring, rusted, sediment, separate, sublimation, and turbid. Okay, let us spell each. Okay, condensation, condensation, condensation. Dissolve, dissolve, dissolve. Food coloring, foodcoloring, food coloring. Rusted, rusted, rusted. Sediment, sediment, sediment. Separate, separate, separate. Sublimation, sublimation, sublimation. Turbid, turbid, turbid. Okay, so that's our lesson for today. I have here a very short worksheet for you. So you will just find the right spelling of the words. Okay, I'll give you an example. Hang on, guys. I'll give you an example. For example, number 1. So this must be, what do you think? Okay, right. Okay, this is food coloring. I check first each letter, and then I check it from here. And upon checking, I discover it's food coloring. So I'll cross that word. So meaning I already answered that, so no need to get confused. So I just Cross it out. Okay. So I want you to do the number 2 to number 8. Okay. And 9 and 10, this is so very easy. This is just a bonus for you. Can you please write your full name, number 9, in English, and number 10, write your full name in Thai, okay? So Teacher D would know, okay? I want it full name, first name, and last name, okay? So I'll be looking forward in meeting you very soon. I hope we can go back to school very soon so we can meet each other. I'm so excited to play with you, maybe sing with you, and do some games. I like board games, okay? I like sports. So I'll be seeing you very soon, guys. Have a nice day. Oops, don't forget to wear your mask every time you go out. And then when you get back home, be sure to wash your hands, okay? And keep safe, everyone. And again, this is Teacher D. Have a nice day.